Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. The subject property is a two-story residence that may be ideal as a multifamily home and an income generator. The location of this house is in Great Pond Boulevard, Ocho Rios. The main or first floor incorporates a self-contained studio unit, two bedrooms, two bathroom, kitchen, combined living and dining area, front and rear porch. The upper or second floor, which is incomplete, features three bedrooms, two bathrooms, kitchen, combined living and dining area, balconies, and also a self-contained studio unit. The land area is approximately 6,195 square feet. Other features of this house includes ceramic tile, garden area, fully fenced, family oriented, view of the river and quiet area. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 38 million or US $247,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please remember, leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.